Hi students, we will discuss one problem regarding CMOS transistors. The problem is design a CMOS transistor that has the functional behavior f of z is equal to a into b plus c whole bar. So you want to be design this functional behavior by using of CMOS transistors. So generally the CMOS transistor is like this. So the construction of the CMOS, we require the one PMOS and one NMOS. This is PMOS, joining like this. This is connected to the ground. This is called it as a VDD. Okay, so this is called it as a input V in. This is called it as a V out. CMOS means that complementary metal oxide semiconductor. This is a CMOS inverter. Okay, the logic symbol is this one. Okay, so like that by using of the CMOS transistors we are going to be design this functional behavior, that is A and B plus C whole bar. For implementation of this function, we must remember one thing. The first point is the designing of the functional behavior of the gates. The PMOS transistors always acts as pull-up transistors. And the NMOS transistors acts as pull down transistors. Okay, so while the implementation of transistors, CMOS transistors, so you must remember these 2 points. And the another standard notation is there, that is if we want to be implement undo function by using of PMOS transistors, the transistors are in parallel. The transistors must be in parallel. And you want to be implement OR function by using of PMOS, the transistors are in series. Okay, that is one more remember. And you want to be implement undo function by using of NMOS, the transistors are in series. And you want to be implement OR function by using of NMOS, the transistors are in parallel. Okay, this is the standard notation to represent CMOS transistors for Boolean function. So what is our function? the function is f of z is equal to a and of b plus c whole bar. Okay, so I will represent here. See here, so every time you have to be represent from ground onwards. So here b plus c, this is a R function, so I am going to be implement by using of NMOS transistors. So when this in b plus c in R function, okay, you want to be implement R function, the NMOS transistors are in parallel. Okay, so I take two transistors, these two N transistors. Okay, so this is for B, this is for C. So you are joining like this. Okay, okay, the R function is over, and the A is AND with B plus C. Okay, the A is AND with B plus C. So you take the transistor, okay, this is the A. Okay, I am connecting, this is to ground. Okay, so the ground, the pull down NMOS transistor connection is over. Now we go for the PMOS. Okay, so in PMOS, the implementation of the PMOS, the implementation of the R, see here, the PMOS R gate implementation, the transistors are in series. Okay, so the R function B and C is R function, so take it as a two transistors. This is for PMOS, this is for another PMOS, these two are in series. Okay, so this is B, this is C. Okay, and B plus C are in series if it is for the PMOS implementation. For AND function, those are in parallel. Okay, so the A is parallel with this B plus C. Okay, so this is PMOS. Okay, so we are joining like this, this is A. Okay, so now we are connecting VDD here plus VDD. Okay, so this is the A input. So this is the implementation of PMOS transistor is over. Okay, we are joining of these two. So this is a pull up circuit. Okay, so this is call it as a pull down. Okay, so now here we are taking the function, that is f of z. Okay, so now our circuit is over. Generally the complementary connection means that both P transistor and N transistor must be joined. Yes, we will take the lead now. This is, we can join B and B, so this is for B, and take C, so the C is over, and A. Okay, so the joining of this A. Okay, so this is the functional behavior of the f of z. Okay, so this is called the pull up circuit, this is called the pull down circuit. Okay, so like that we can implement the Boolean function by using of the CMOS transistors. Okay, Thank you for listening.